Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to get your DeepL API key. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to deepl.com. Once you're on the DeepL homepage, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. This will give you access to your account dashboard where all your API settings are stored. After logging in, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile icon there. Go ahead and click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with various account options. From the drop-down menu that appears, click on Account. This will take you to your account settings page where you can manage everything related to your DeepL profile and API access. Now, you'll need to wait a moment while the page loads completely. This usually takes just a few seconds, but depending on your internet connection, it might take a bit longer. Let the page fully load before proceeding to ensure all the options are visible. Once the page has loaded, look at the top navigation menu. You'll see several tabs there. Click on the one that says API Key and Limits. This section is specifically designed for managing your API access and checking your usage limits, making it essential for anyone looking to integrate DeepL's translation services into their applications. After clicking on that tab, you'll see a section labeled DeepL API Key. This is where DeepL stores your unique API key, which is essentially your personal access token for using DeepL's translation API in your projects or applications. Right beside the DeepL API key label, you'll see your actual API key displayed. This is a long string of characters that serves as your authentication credential when making API requests to DeepL's services. To use this key in your project, simply click the copy icon next to the API key. This will automatically copy the entire key to your clipboard, making it easy to paste into your application, code, or wherever you need to use it. And that's it. You've successfully retrieved your DeepL API key, and it's now ready to be used in your translation project. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.